you can see in my big slide, and I was wearing a small turban also. Present yourself. When I say, when I'm getting ready for this presentation, I keep my beard open. I tell, okay, we are in home, let it be, it's okay. My wife tells, no, you are giving a presentation to your friends. They are seeing you as a role model, and they are learning from you to have to dress well. And he reminds me that I have to present myself. So whenever you are presenting yourself, present it well. Look nice, because people wants to become a friend of who looks genuinely, who look nice. Present yourself. So you looks nice and present your work. Again, I remind you, present your work. Improve yourself, idea, and be innovative. So small idea will every time come. It's a God-given gift to everybody. Best example, that I'm just walking on my corridor and I see that my alarm is this building alarm is don't have cabinet. I just seen it and my idea got clicked. I have something left in my project which is a little bit broken and we cannot use it. So I got an idea, I will bring and keep it over there. It's a very small idea. I have noted down in my mobile. Okay. That small thing is innovation. Nobody in this world can give you ideas and innovation until you are ready to take it. And that will happen when you walk 25% faster, when you speak, when you smile, when you make friends, and you will innovate. Scaredness. Scaredness is true. I am too much scared. People are scared. When people say, I am not scared, or when people say, do not be scared, do not worry. No, scaredness is truth. We all scare. I scare. Everybody scare. Scaredness can go away when you have true friends to talk. Whenever you scare, whatever is in your heart, you talk. And a true friend, if you don't have, you have a mirror in your home. When I stay alone in Saudi Arabia, when I work in Saudi Arabia, I don't have family status. And I used to stay in one room. And in Saudi Arabia, there is no too much opening that you can go outside and have fun or something. I got alone in the home. I got scared. I tried to study, but I could not able to concentrate. I stand in front of mirror and I talk to myself. So it's very important. Scaredness is there because scaredness will come with evil things. When you talk, when you share your problem to yourself, you have a true friend and you will win. I believe this model will help you out. Please, if you have any questions, note it out and tell me. We'll move to next slide. Now is learn from failure, criticism, interview tips. So every failure has something to teach, but every failure brings pain and stress. See, it's so nice line that's been written. Maybe this spelling is wrong a little bit. Just ignore it. So every failure is bring pains. Now I will tell you, when I give BCRSP exam on 13th of February, and after 60 days result has over, and I got an email, congratulations. And inside it is said, congratulations, you are being approved for next sitting. I tell, what next sitting? For next sitting, who gives congratulations? People get congratulations for passing, but they give congratulations for next sitting. The way they have spoken it, I can share that email with you if you want. They have written like this. The BSP, Board of Canadian Registered Safety Professional, has written like this. Congratulations, you have been approved for next sitting. Means they are not saying that you have failed, but you have been promoted to next sitting. So see the positiveness inside that. Every failure brings pains. When I see this, I am too much stressed because in 1 week time, I have gone through 1900 pages of document in 1 week. If 1900 pages in 1 week, in 1 hour, I complete almost around 70 to 80 pages I complete every day. I am reading it, but I am not concentrating it. So that's the reason I might fail. But failure always bring a step ahead also, So that's very painful for me that I have failed. But then I taken it as positive and I re-enroll it and I will try to give again. Maybe I will fail again. There is nothing harm in it. And I'm sharing this failure with you. The reason behind is next, which I've written. To overcome the pain and stress of failure, use a word call. Use a word call. You talk your failure about people. Let people criticize you. Let people say, oh, you don't know, you poor fellow, you don't know, you haven't done, you don't have Nebosh IGC. Let that pain to be there. Let more pain to be there, because none of the people in this world get happiness and good life until they are not criticized. I know Abdul Wahid, when I am in his project, I criticize him a lot. Whenever I go to his project, I tell, why you not do this? Why you have not done this? I criticize. But I'm proud that today he is an HSE manager and he's having good position and he's doing a lot of good things. There are a lot of people. I have one WhatsApp group. I have make a VC achievement group. I forgot to add Walid. I should add Walid also in that group. The people below me who gets achievement, I created a group. Lot of people get criticism from me. Some of might have joined today in session also, because I share this one to them. So they get benefit. Write down all possible causes you think making you fail, and then talk your friend or mentor for way to improve support. You know, when you fail, you write down. So I write down why I fail in CRSP exam, because that's a 1900 pages document and I not able to get sufficient time to study. I don't get time to practice. Some of pages I just skip it because it's a diagram, but that diagram is important. I should understand because question is going to come from them. So then I talk to my mentor. His name is Aslam Badar. He is a very good poet. You can search him in Facebook. He is my mentor. He teach me. He is the one who brings me in safety. He is the Director General Manager on Health and Safety for Tata Steel. He's very big guy, big shot. He is the JACOSH certified. Now, when we say JACOSH, Nebosh has recently came, but back in the 2000 and early days, there is something called JACOSH. That is Japan International Occupation Health and Safety. That's very big course. Before tsunami came, after tsunami came, that course is closed. He is satisfied from them. And the eligible criteria to get in that course is from every country, 1 or 2% can go to that course. So just imagine the level of JACOSH is. So he's my mentor. I talk to him. I tell, this is the way I fail. Then he tells, he do my counseling and he tell, you don't have time to study. So better take time and study. So this is the holy month of Ramadan, and then we have Corona. We are in lockdown period, so I'm trying to study. So again, when I say criticism, please don't take it as wrong word. Criticism doesn't mean that your friend or mentor should only criticize you. That is not criticism. That is making you down. That is not a good criticism. Don't got entrapped with that type of criticism. Criticism, when I say, he should criticize your work, not criticize your effort. Please mind my word. He should criticize your work, not your efforts. Your efforts are always genuine. Maybe not correct path, but genuine. So he should come up with solution. Okay, now you are not doing everyday study, start doing study. So when you will do all these things, what actually you are going to get is focused dream. You can only achieve this by focused dream. When you are focused, you can able to achieve this. You know, now these are the interview 3 steps I'm going to discuss. First, feel that interview need you. Now, this is they're very different type of statement, not grammatically correct. First, feel that interview need you. When I say interview need you, it doesn't mean that you need an interview. Remember my words, very important. When you go for an interview, don't think that you need that interview. You think that interview need you. Then you will feel relaxed. That is the key of success. Listen to interviewer, his or her question genuinely. If you don't listen, please ask him again. I have taken hundreds of interviews in my life after I became in management position. People don't listen after 4 and 5 questions and they try to answer what they feel. That is very wrong. Genuinely listen. Genuinely listen each question clearly and then answer. Important thing, always create true story in your first and second question. Because first and second question, interviewer always ask what you know about company, how you can improve the things, tell us something about yourself. These are the question games. Whatever the question it be, create a story. Example, what is your name? My name is Vipin Chhabra. That's done. No, create like this. What is your name? My name is Vipin Chhabra, and people used to call me very important person in India. VIPIN, Vipin. See, you are creating small story. When you create small story, the interviewer will smile. He feel relaxed with you. And then interview session will go on. He will tell you, tell us something about yourself. Then don't again repeat, my name is Vipin Chhabra. Then create some line. Normally, I love to work, but I have started studying in 1996 and I completed my graduation in 2002 by Bachelor Health and Safety. And then I taken from there my path. I worked as field safety officer in Vixen Roadways. See, it's a creating story. I'm creating a story. When I create story, interviewer is getting an image of what Vipin Chhabra is. And that image in his mind. And that image is evaluating what is his requirement. Because if he has some requirement of safety officer, he's thinking, he has some image in his mind that how my safety officer looks, what my safety officer do. And when you create answers with your stories, you are comparing that image. And 99.9% people pass the interview who create story. And that is my own research. 99.9% people pass the interview. Somebody might not pass because their voice is not good or they have different challenges. So that is. Again, answer truth. Don't jungle it. I have seen lot of people, they start very nice, they create story, they make a relation with interviewers, and then they don't answer it. Review your CV. Interviewer only knows technical question, but he don't know first and second question answer, because first and second question answers will only come from your CV. People says that they are working in 2014 in Dubai and they have a full-time master's diploma back in their master class diploma back in their country. How could it be possible? They have for 2014 they're working also and full-time diploma back in their country also. If it is distance learning, there is nothing wrong. Tell distance learning, because if you tell lie, people will don't want to become a friend of lie people. So use again M&SS formula from BMW SS. What is MSSS? Make an eye contact. So see in the middle of their nose if you could not able to concentrate on their eyes for starting period. To speak genuinely, smile and speak up. There is nothing wrong. He's not going to put you behind the bars. He's not going to kill you. He's not going to criticize you. If you criticize, I have told you it is very good. So take that criticism and all you will get a interview done. So I pray that you will get it. So we will see soon this HSC model. We all know about it. HSC policy, guideline, standard, objective, policy, procedure, work instructions. But I have added. So life policy. What is your life policy? Make it. Life guidelines. Make it. Life standard. Make it. My standard. I will tell you how I am adding this. Genuinely improve your standard. There is nothing wrong in it. First, when I join back in Saudi Arabia, I have my Mitsubishi Isuzu car, that is pickup. But I'm not happy to that car. So what I have decided that I will take a sedan. When I work in Qatar, I have a Nissan Sunny. Then I tell no, that is not a standard of life. A standard of life, I should have four-wheel drive. So then I taken a four-wheel drive. That time I have CRV, and now by the grace of God and Allah, I have Ford Explorer. Improve your standard of life, because it's very important. If you think that I will save a money and I will take back to your home country, I will make there everything, it's good. You should do it. I'm not denying it. But improve your standard. Your standard, you can use anything. I will wear a branded shirt. I will eat in a good restaurant. I will have my home always cleaned. Any small standard. I will talk to workers only in these times. When I will go to work, go on site inspections, I will talk to foremen. I will not interact with workers. I will ensure that correct hierarchy has been followed. Life standard you make. When you make your life standard, your career will always have objective, procedure, responsibility, and then your dreams will always come true. And for that, you have to follow this balance between work and personal life. Don't get stress in your mind. I believe my next speaker friend will give you mental health. That's very good. Interpersonal skills. As I've told you earlier, please follow that. Networking. This is the good platform where Abdul Wahid has created HSE Africa Group. But I will suggest you go beyond that. Not only an HSE, create world as your group. LinkedIn is so nice platform. You can add lot of people and chat with them. It's so nice of you. That will give you a networking. That will give you an idea. That will give you everything. Show leadership. Leadership doesn't mean that you have to become a HSE manager or somebody's big firm. No. Leader is somebody that someone's follow him. If you have 4 workers who respect you, you are the leader. I'm telling you. So become a leader. Try to make a leader. A lot of books has been given. Leader is something, I will repeat one thing again. To become a leader, you have to first visualize good in somebody's. I am visualizing good in each of everybody who is listening my voice, that they have taken good from this presentation. And I pray to Allah in the month of Ramadan and fasting, and that God you believe, or Jesus Christ, whomever you believe, that you all get success. Volunteer yourself. Volunteer yourself for everything. When I say volunteer, it doesn't mean you have to go and do some charity. In your own work, in your own profession, you can ask engineer, can I help you by doing a cost estimation? Can I help you by some storekeeper? Can I help you by doing some accounting, small work? Can I help you with some extra time? I can give you 1 hour or 2 hours for taking out the quantities from drawing. It's very easy. You have to just coin. You learn from him and then do it. If you will do that thing for 1 or 2 times, you will become a friend of everybody in the project. And that is the key of interaction, because people want friend. They don't want enemy. And they listen to friend. They don't listen to enemy. So this is all about today's presentation. Hope everybody has enjoyed and learned. So as I've told you, feedback is very important for everybody. Feedback is important for me, for my improvement. I would expect you can criticize me also. Mr. Chabra, your mustache is not good, or you don't speak like this. Your English is very fast. Whatever you want, please say that, because that will help your brother, help your friend to improve. So this is my email address. You can note it out. Waleed can share with you. Please mention the subject HSE Africa Group, because lot of mails are coming. So I could not able to, I will get confused. That might be this is whom, that is whom. So please mention that so that I will understand this is my problem.